Hello everyone. Today I am going to give you a tutorial on how to install YALMIP on a desktop PC on a MATLAB software. First of all, you have to open the internet browser, write YALMIP in the search bar, click on the first link you get. Now click on the download button, scroll down and you will see another button named latest official release. When you click on the button, the download will automatically start. As you can see, it is completed now. Now close the window and the internet browser. Here you can see the downloaded file is present. It is in a zip format, so we have to unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract all button and then click extract. It will take some time to fully unzip the downloaded file. Meanwhile, I want to ask you all if you want me to make a video on a Groovy installation on a MATLAB having YALMIP interface. If you want me to make a video on it, then please do tell me in the comment section. I will make a separate video on how to install academic license Groovy on a MATLAB software having YALMIP already installed on it. So you can solve multiple mathematical programming problems. So the unzipping is now completing. It has been completed. So now you have to copy this unzipped folder and have to paste it in the directory. Go to the C partition where MATLAB is already installed. Go to the program files folder. Here you see a MATLAB folder. Click on it. You can here see there are two MATLAB folders, R2023A and R2023B. You have to paste the downloaded file in that folder of the MATLAB you are currently using. I am using R2023B, so I open the folder. I will go to the toolbox folder and I will paste the downloaded YALMIP file here. As you can see, it is gone in the last. So one important thing is that you have to copy the address. I will copy this address to use it in MATLAB. Now close the window, open MATLAB, click on set path button, click on add with subfolders. Now here you have to paste the address I copied when pasting YALMIP in the C directory file. So you can see the same folder is now opened. Now select the folder you pasted earlier and save. That's it. The YALMIP is now installed on your MATLAB. To check, you have to simply write YALMIP test in the command window of MATLAB to see whether it is installed or not. So you can see the MATLAB is running some mathematical programs to see which functionalities it have. So my YALMIP has all the functionalities except global non-convex programming solving skill, and you can see the Groovy is already been installed in my YALMIP. So as mentioned earlier, if you want me to make a video to how to install Groovy on YALMIP in the MATLAB software, please do tell me in comment section. I will make a separate video on it. Thank you very much.